Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a list view in Android Studio. Here we have 3 items in the list view. You can click each one of them. At the moment it doesn't do anything, but on the next video I'm going to show you how to set on a on-click event so it does something when you click on them. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new project. I'm going to name my project Simple List View. Select the empty activity and give a few seconds to finish building. So once everything is finished building, go to Resources folder, Layouts, Activity-Main. In here you can see the preview of the activity. Go ahead and click Text. Here we have a text view. We don't need this, so get rid of it. Here we're going to create a new list view. Here it's asking for the width and the height of the list view. For now we're going to use the whole screen. So to do that we're going to use match parent and match parent. Here it has given us, okay, so if you don't have this screen you can go ahead and click preview. Here it will show you a preview of the list. Another attribute we need to give the list to is the ID, so we can reference it from the code. So we do that by Android ID, and I'm just going to give it a name, LV items. Now we're going to go back to the Java folder, the first folder, and the main activity class. Here we're going to make 3 variables. The first variable is going to be the array that holds our stuff. So array list. It's going to be type strings. I'm going to name it my items. The second variable is going to be the variable that holds the list view. So list view. I'm going to use the same name as the reference. So the items. And the last one is going to be an array adapter. It's going to be type string as well. You can think of the array adapter as a bridge between the items and the list view and the items. So once we have declared 3 variables, what we're going to do is initialize them. So I'm going to initialize the first the string array. So my items equals new array list, and I'm going to add some items in there. So add pen, book, hook. Now we're going to initialize the list view. The way we do that in the Android Studio is you need to use the function called find view by ID. So r.id, and we're going to use the reference name, which is LV items that we had in the XML file. Then we're going to initialize the array adapter. So array adapter, new array adapter. Here we need to give it 3 arguments. The first argument is going to be the context. The context is the activity itself, so we can just say this. The second one is going to be the design layout that we're going to use in the list view. So to do that we're going to use android.r.layout, then the simple list item. The first one is the default, and the last argument is our items. So it's going to be my items, and the last thing we need to do is set the array adapter in the list view. So the way we do that is items set adapter and array adapter, and that's all. Now let's run it and see. And here we have it.